Gauteng uqaphe izivivinyo eziqhubekayo ze-National Senior Certificate zango-2025 ukuze uqinisekise ukuthi zihamba kahle kuso sonke isifundazwe. Phambilini namhlanje izikhulu zivakashele isikole samabanga aphakeme eFortney eDobsonville zaqinisekisa ukuthi konke kuhamba ngomumo futhi kunezindlela ezifanele zokweseka abafundi.
Igqiza lolawulo lesebe lezemfundo eGauteng lenze utyelelo lokubeka esweni iimviwo kwisikolo samabanga aphakamileyo iFort Hare eDobsonville njengenxalenye yeenzame eziqhubekayo zokuqinisekisa ukuba iimviwo zebanga leshumi zalo nyaka ziqhuba ngaphandle kwamagingxi-gingxi kwiphondo liphela.
This is our first day where we're writing the biggest paper, which is English first language. So what that means every learner is writing today. And as compared to other days, when we started on Tuesday, there was a small paper, but today is the biggest paper that is starting the exam for 2025. So this day is very important because we're wanting to make sure that all the learners that are enrolled for this examination have an opportunity at least to sit and write and get into the mood, the days that are going to come until we finish our exams.
Abafundi abachophele iphepha lesithathu lolwimi lwesiNgesi bavakalise imincili nokuzithemba ekuqwiseni kwiimviwo zabo.
Honestly, I'm confident today because I believe that God has already made a way for me, and also I'm well prepared and focused, so I don't think I should be nervous or anything.
I've been waiting for this day actually for a long time. Am I supposed to feel nervous? Because I'm not. I feel very confident because I strongly believe in myself. I've been putting in the work. I've been studying sleepless nights. So yeah, confidence is at its best today.
Inqununu yesisikolo inethemba lokuba umsebenzi abawenzileyo unyaka wonke bexhobisa abafundi uza kuzala iziqhamo ezihle.
We want to say to these learners they must keep focused, they must stay focused and continue as they've been doing throughout the year. But indeed, one will say it's important that our learners for now, while they're busy writing with this examination, they must stay away. And I want to echo the MEC's word, stay away from the social media. It might distract you. This is the only time where they must now start to say, I've been doing well throughout. I don't have to sit on my laurel. But doing well throughout the year does not translate into the performance of the final examination. They must just continue doing what they've been doing, and then their levels will go higher. As a school, we're looking at 100%, and we're also looking at 90% bachelor pass.
Ukusukela oko zithe zaqalisa iimviwo zokuphela konyaka ngolwesibini, isebe lezemfundo lithi ziqhuba ngempumelelo kuzo zonke izithili zephondo. Kwiindaba zeSoweto TV, ndinguNomzabalazo Mduka eDobsonville.